What up? What up? What up? Back at it again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. Not gonna waste you guys' time. Let's go ahead and get into it. Update on the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely phenomenal according to plan. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure you send them over to the channel so we can help get them started the right way. Economics calendar for the week, some important events, and just things people are going to be paying attention to. Monday, the 18th, home builder confidence. Tuesday, housing starts building permits. Wednesday, 2 p.m., Fed minutes for July. Thursday, initial jobless claims. Fed manufacturing, existing home sales. Friday, there are no events scheduled according to the almanac. 18th, historically bullish. 19th, historically bullish. We'll see if we get a little discount. And then 2 big days. Mondays have started off slow the last few weeks and picked up. We'll see if that continues. The rest of the week should be mixed. The week after August, monthly expiration has been mixed. Dow has been down 10 of the last 19 trading sessions and down 4.2% in 2022. Setups I'm going to be looking at this week, looking for some momentum in APLD. This stock has been absolutely amazing. Want to get onto this on the lowest drawdown level. Strat entry, we can see this is trading below the quarterly broad information. If it pushes up, we can see if we can get to about $20. This has a 2-2-1 minute above a 1409, and we'll see if that can push back up. If we look at the day chart, we can see the retracement levels and things like that, right? So we have to gap up the little pullback retracement level at 1336. We held above that, currently at 1409. We'll see if we can ride this momentum and continue to push that up. Oh, chart went crazy for a second. Continue to push that one up to the $20 mark. Take advantage of some of this bullishness in that stock. Football, not football. Why do I have football in here? It's not football. I got a different stock. For some reason, it put that in there. Plug power. Okay, here we go. Plug power. Let me make sure I get the right ticker. This is crazy. Okay, got the right ticker. Plug. I am invested in football, but the ticker we're looking at this week is Plug. A lot of the clean energy. If you look at the clean energy ICLN, you'll see a lot of those tickers absolutely went crazy. Plug was one of the tickers that didn't get as much bullish activity. So we'll see if we can get some discounts on this. Pick this up off the low. You can see how we went down on the month, pushed up. Equilibrium is right here about 136. We pushed up to that. And so we have a 15-minute entry on Plug Power. So yeah, pretty clean entry there. 212, 15-minute on Plug. Obviously, you went 2-1-2 week last week. Currently inside month, 2.25, got that little pullback. So we want to see if we can continue to push up there. It's trading within a quarterly broad information. We want to see if we can push up to levels over $4. That would be a crazy move over time. One of my favorite tickers, CHWY. We got this hammer on the month, been continuing up quarter over quarter, inside quarter. We want to see that quarter turn green. Had an absolutely phenomenal week. Of course, we got new entries. I believe this 15-minute entry. Just want to make sure. Yes, that's what it is. Okay. Let me activate this. Slide this over. So that is a 15-minute above $40.55. Give this some time, and we're approaching $60 on that one. Earnings September 3rd before market. So I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. I hope you are as well. If you guys have any questions, thoughts, ideas, or anything like that, make sure to put them in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. With that being said, let's have a fabulous, absolutely wonderful week. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Have a great week.